How to buy MiniDoge token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Don't forget to check the Telegram channel, as you can see. Now this token is available on CoinMEXC. You also buy this token, copy the token address from here, and remember this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your BTC wallet for that. Open your wallet from here. Now as you can see, select the Solana as a network, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called MiniDoge. So after you find it, click on it. Now here click on swap, switch from here from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy, so here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see with that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy MiniDoge token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.